Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Cindy. In this lesson, we're going to learn the months in French as well as how to tell the date. Les mois de l'année et la date en français. My cat is purring very loudly beside me, so if you can hear funny noise, that's what it is. Anyway, so let's first have a look at the months of the year because you will need to know them in order to tell the date. Luckily, they resemble their English equivalent, so you shouldn't have any problems remembering them. Janvier. Repeat. Janvier. Février. Février. Mars. Again. Mars. Avril. Avril. Mai. Mai. Juin. Again. Juin. Juillet, repeat, juillet, août, again, août, septembre, septembre, octobre, repeat, octobre, novembre, novembre, décembre, again, décembre. So that's janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So two things to note here is that the A in août is silent. And the second thing is that in French, the months are not written with a capital letter. If you want to give a very general date and simply say in January, in February, etc., all you need to do is add en in front of the appropriate month. For example, en janvier, in January, en février, in February, en mars, en avril, en mai, etc. When placed in front of a month, en means in. So how do you tell the date in French? Well, the first thing you need to know is that you cannot translate the date word for word from English to French. This is because French uses cardinal numbers. In other words, French uses the counting numbers, whereas in English you would use ordinal numbers, such as first, second, third, etc. The second reason why you can't translate the date word for word is because of is not translated in French. So the French equivalent of is not part of the date in French. So for example, le 7 mai 1990, which word for word means the 7 May 1990, means the 7th of May 1990. So as you can see, in French you need to use the number 7, whereas in English you would use sevenths. Of is not translated in French. There is no word between 7 and mai. And the month mai does not take a capital letter. So basically to say the 7th of May 1990, French people say the 7 May 1990. That said, French wouldn't be French without exceptions, right? So for the first of the month, French people also use the ordinal number, premier. So if it's the first of the month in French, you need to say le premier and not le 1. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. Le 1er mai est un jour férié en France. Le 1er mai, the 1st of May, est un jour férié, is a bank holiday, en France, in France. Je suis né le 16 mars 1960. Je suis né, I was born, le 16 mars 1960, on the 16th of March 1960. The literal translation for le 1er mai would be the 1st May, and the word-for-word translation for le 16 mars 1960 is the 16 March 1960. So now you know how to tell the date. Let's learn how to write it. If you're writing the date at the top of a letter, you first need to write the place you're writing from, followed by a comma, and then the date. And the numbers within the date need to remain written as numbers, not letters. For example, Paris, le 30 septembre 2016. If you're writing the date in a general text, for example, say if you're making arrangements to meet someone, then the numbers can be written as numbers or spelled out. And another thing to keep in mind is that if you need to write the date using only numbers, in French, the day comes before the month. So if it was the 30th of September 2016, then you would write 30/09/2016. Okay, so now you know how to tell the date, you know how to write it, so how do you actually ask the date? To ask for the date of an event, you need to say quelle est la date de, or the apostrophe if the following word starts with a vowel. Quelle est la date de literally translates to what is the date of. For example, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? What's today's date? Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? What is the date of your birthday? Basically, when's your birthday? And you know what? As practice, why don't you tell me in the comments below, in French of course, when your birthday is? Basically, answer in the comments below, quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? I'll answer the comments myself. Oh, what? No. I actually meant to say, I'll answer the question myself in the comments to give you a model to follow. But do take part. Remember, practice makes perfect. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. That's what the comments are for. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. I upload new videos regularly. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!